Hey, food cravers, welcome back to the Crave Culture, where cravings meet culture. Today we're making egusi soup the way my family loves it. Lumpy, or should I say a little bit textured, flavorful, and packed with good vibes. Let's get into it. I started by steaming my meat and kpomo with some chopped onions, salt, and seasoning cubes. Nothing fancy, just building that base of flavor. And then I added enough water to let it cook until it was soft and tender. So here I have my grounded egusi, my ugu leaves are already chopped, my dry and stockfish, and the almighty Uziza leaves. So next I tossed in my dry fish and stockfish, then added ground pepper and crayfish. That crayfish is the secret flavor bomb in egusi. Let that all cook down together. This is where the soup starts to smell like home. While the pot was doing its thing, I mixed my ground egusi in lukewarm water to form a paste. Just a pinch of salt too. This makes it soft and scoopable. Once the pot was bubbling with flavor, I added palm oil, then scooped in the egusi paste bit by bit with a teaspoon. This gives that slightly lumpy texture, just how my family likes it. Cover and let it cook slowly. It needs time to soak up everything. At this point, the egusi had cooked beautifully, soft, thick, and floating gently in that rich palm oil goodness. The tiny scoops had set just right, not too lumpy, but still holding their own, as you can see. The crayfish and stock had done their magic, and the soup had this deep earthy aroma that filled the kitchen. Now it's time for the final touch, the veggies. I added my ugu and uziza leaves, stirred gently and let it simmer a bit more. At this point, the soup is thick, fragrant, and looking like love on a plate. And that's it, our egusi is ready. I paired mine with smooth semo, but you can do pounded yam or eba. However you eat it, just know this one will hug your soul. This is gengen local Nigerian dish. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. There is more delicious culture coming your way. Cordio.